Hi guys, Renovating Renee.
I'm Typical Tink.
And today we're going to do something special. We're going to make a chocolate banana nut bread, but we're also going to make it muffin form.
I'm excited. I can't wait to show you guys.
She's going to do the cupcakes and I'm going to do the loaf.
Can you believe it? She's going to teach me how to bake.
So stay tuned.
Keep on watching, guys. I learned that the no-fail baking method is to pre-measure and have all of your items sorted out properly so that when you start mixing, there is no way to mess it up. So here you see my cousin. She is basically measuring out everything. She has a table scale and she's measuring everything to the T.
So what we're going to need here is 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup or 75 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We combine those together. 3 ripened bananas, 3 large eggs, 3/4 cups of vegetable oil or 180 ml, 2 ounces or 56 grams of 60% of cacao, 1 3/4 cups or 190 grams of flour, and 1 3/4 cup or 350 grams of sugar. Do is add walnuts to chocolate banana nut bread. Smells fine.
I left it to the cut out with me looking at the videos. Smell-o-vision! I was just going to say that too when you...
Okay, it's good.
It tastes good.
How it taste?
Good? You should taste it off that spoon. It tastes so good.
Okay.
And then we're gonna mix together.
Let's actually fix this. All right.